and trade, sharing of ideas and experiences, advancing technology and innovation, and promoting cultural and people-to-people exchanges. Indeed, it was enhanced connectivity that resulted in the modern age of globalization, weaving the fabric of our global economy and transforming our world into global village. Distinguished audience, to me the idea of BRI, an essential element of concept of community of shared future for the mankind, is grander than just the physical aspect usually associated with connectivity. I believe that connectivity is not just about roads, rails, wires, and networks. It is also about connecting people, cultures, and civilizations. It is an endeavor for creating bonds and linkages that bind the people of our world together, and all of it in the quest of a shared future that benefits humanity as a whole. The Chinese concept of Tianxia, which translates as land under heaven, refers to the whole world and promotes diversity while emphasizing harmonious and mutual interdependence as a means towards enduring peace. I must admit that I'm deeply impressed by China's view on development, especially the concept of inclusivity, which lies at the core of China's development paradigm. Ladies and gentlemen, as we must meet here today, our world is in the throes of a number of unprecedented challenges. Raging conflicts, the once in a century pandemic, growing inequalities, yawning divide between the developed and the developing, debt burden, food and energy crisis, and climate change pose existential threat to our way of living. Unless we redouble our effort to address these challenges, we risk backsliding on some of the gains achieved under the UN Sustainable Goals Agenda 2023. Today, many regions, especially in the developing world, still lack adequate physical infrastructure, hindering their ability to participate fully in the global economy. Addressing these infrastructure gaps requires substantial investment in transportation, energy, and digital networks. The digital divide also remains a pressing issue. It is essential to ensure that everyone has equal access to opportunities in the digital age. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan takes immense pride in being China's partner in this quest for inclusive and sustainable development. We are amongst the first supporters of BRI by launching its flagship project of China-Pakistan Economic Corridor in 2013. CPEC was operationalized during the historic visit of President Xi to Islamabad in 2015. As we commemorate the 10th anniversary of BRI and CPEC, we reflect on the profound impact of these visionary enterprises on the lives and livelihood of our people. I feel happy to share that in Pakistan, we have completed nearly 50 projects worth 25 billion US dollars under CPEC. The construction of modern highways, seaport, airport, and rapid mass transit system has improved our transportation network, connected cities and remote areas, improved accessibility, facilitating the movement of goods and people across Pakistan. CPEC energy projects have injected more than 8,000 megawatt of new electricity into our national grid, while nearly 10,000 megawatt of additional and clean energy projects are expected to be completed in the next 4 to 5 years. The government of Pakistan has taken steps to make Pakistan a trade, transit, and transshipment hub with secure, open, reliable, and efficient connectivity routes and borders. opening new vistas for countries to our west and beyond. Towards this end, under CPEC, Pakistan has successfully operationalized its deep sea port of Gwadar, with state-of-the-art facilities to handle cargo ships, facilitating transshipments to regional countries, especially the landlocked states. Soon, a new international airport would also be inaugurated in Gwadar, which is yet another step in realizing our vision of Gwadar serving as a hub of regional trade and connectivity. Ladies and gentlemen, CPEC is now poised to enter into its next phase, where it would be transformed into a corridor of growth, linking our economies and providing equal opportunities to our people. With this, we hope that a farmer in rural areas can access regional market for his customer, a student in a remote village can access world-class education, and a small business owner can trade seamlessly with his partners across regions. CPEC would also be developed as a corridor of livelihood, with dividends from its development reaching the common people, improving their living standards, creating jobs, and addressing poverty. I would be amiss if at this stage I did not commend China for its remarkable feat of lifting hundreds of millions of its citizens from abject poverty, providing them a better, brighter, and more fulfilling life. As we progress forward, CPEC would be a corridor of innovation, where Pakistan and China would join hands to advance our cooperation in the fields of IT and science and technology, with the aim of improving the lives of our two people. Another important facet of CPEC would be its development as a green corridor, which would serve our objectives of ensuring food security, agricultural modernization, green development, and environmental protection. CPEC as a corridor of openness demonstrates our sincerity towards making this development project an inclusive one, welcoming other countries and partners to join hand in this great venture. Distinguished audience, I would also like to take this opportunity to commend President Xi's vision for creating a global community with a shared future. The Global Development Initiative, Global Security Initiatives, and Global Civilizational Initiatives have further redefined the concept of a shared community. This vision promotes cooperation, collective security, inter-civilizational exchanges, inclusive and sustainable development, and a balanced ecosystem in harmony with nature. This is the only way to address global challenges. China's rich cultural history, inventiveness, and values of harmony, benevolence, and wisdom have contributed to this vision. Pakistan deeply cherishes its unique relationship and strategic cooperation partnership with China, and is committed to working together to achieve the ideals of an open global economy and promote connectivity on transcontinental scale. We also look forward to joining hands with other partners across borders and regions to create a world where connectivity is not just a concept, but a living reality for every citizen of our globalized world. Our world is interconnected in ways that were perhaps unimaginable in the past. These interlinkages call for adoption of a new paradigm of thinking, cooperation, and shared responsibility. By embracing this vision and working together, we can create a brighter, peaceful, and sustainable future for ourselves and for our future generations. I'm hopeful that together we can shape a world where the bonds that unite us are stronger than the forces that divide us. Thank you. Share.